Good evening, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank my dad and mom and brother who supported me immensely from the beginning. And thank you so much, Naveen Garu, for always encouraging me from the beginning and being such a down to earth person. You were amazing. The minute details మీరు ప్రతి ఒక్కటి సెట్ పైన కూర్చొని చూసుకొని ప్రతి చిన్న కరెక్షన్స్ చేసుకుంటూ ద ప్యాషన్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టువర్డ్స్ ద మూవీ ఇస్ అమేజింగ్. అందరూ ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఎంతోమంది వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు మీ కంబ్యాక్ కోసం అండ్ ద ట్రైలర్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఇస్ రియలీ అమేజింగ్. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు డైరెక్టర్ కమల్ గారు, హీ వాజ్ ఆల్వేస్ సపోర్టివ్, encouraging me with everything, but at the same time obviously frustrated undukuntu chinna chinna corrections cheptu anni baa chuskunnam. The whole team worked very passionately, mottam oka family leka work chesam. And definitely ee theatrical experience ni matram miss avakandi. Andaru June 19th theaters ki velli mari ee movie chudali. And the co-director Kartikeya Garu, he was the biggest supporter for me for the whole movie. His passion towards movie is like amazing. Prati oka details Naveen Gartho discuss chestu, director Gartho discuss chestu. He has been the backbone to the movie. Art director Bhikshapati Garu, he was also amazing. DOP Garu, music director Garu, the whole artists working for the movie. And the actress Rashi Singh was really sweet all through the movie. And chala chala baga andaru perform chesaru and everyone worked as a family. Please watch this movie in the theaters only and don't miss this experience thinking it's an OTT film. Please do come to the theaters. We are all waiting for a comeback of Vadde Naveen Garu. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
సారీ అండి, నేను రాశి గారిని